Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. S.N.S. Rajeshri College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about case study evaluation of RTOs. First one, synopsis and executive summaries. The real-time operating system RTO is an operating system intended to serve a real-time application request. It must be able to process data as it comes in, typically without buffering delays. Processing time requirement are measured in tens of seconds or shorter. The real-time operating system has evolved over the years from being simple executive using cycling schedule into the current future-rich operating system environment. The standardization of POSIX 1003-1 IEX 9941 real-time extension to POSIX contribute significantly to this evaluation. However, the specification leaves the penalty of room for individual implementation to both interrupt and specialize their RTOs. Accordingly, there has been proliferation of both commercial and free RTOs, notably the IRON OS, the ISEK VDX OS specification. Commercial audio likes VX Works, VRTX, LYNOX, OSE, and ONX, and free RTOs like RT Relax and Windows CE. The goal of work reported in this paper to draw real-time syntax practitioner and resourcer attention to those choice, bring out the similarities and difference among them. Next, RTOs versus GPOs. RTOs and versus GPOs distinct from each other because of the following characteristics. Time critically versus throughput. Main goal of RTO is to achieve the deterministic behavior. Result have to produce it with strict deadlines. Usually RTO is used only for customized applications. Hence focus is more than one timeline rather than the amount of work done. Wherein GPO is main aim to achieve the high throughput. GPO is dedicated to a large number of tasks. Hence maximum amount of work has been completed within this given amount of time. Second one, scheduling algorithm. GPU has the liberty to use any scheduling algorithm as long as throughput is met. Whereas in RTO algorithm is always priority based. A higher priority task is never made to wait. Hybrid algorithm can have used, but priority based algorithm must have one of among them. Third one, latency. Latency is GPUs, there is inbounded dispatch latency. The more number of threads to schedule, more latency will get added. In RTOS process, thread has been called bounded latencies due to the application is queuing model. Fourth one, hardware. RTO is lightweight and small in size compared to a GPUs. A GPU is made for the high-end general purpose system and RTO is usually designed for the low-end stand-alone devices. It is economical to port an RTOs to an embedded system of limited expectation and functionalities. Next one, important terminologies and concept. Determination application that run the hard real-time operating system is refers to as a deterministic if its time can guarantee within the certain margin of errors. Soft versus hard real-time, an operating system can have absolutely guarantee a maximum time for operational. Its perform is referred to as hard real-time. In context, the operating system that can usually perform operation in a certain time referred to as soft real-time. Jitter, the amount of error in the timing of task over a subsequent iteration of program or loop is referred to as jitter. The real-time operating system are optimized to provide low amount of jitter when programmed correctly. A task will take very close to the same amount of time to execute each time it is run. The main component in the function diagram are the hardware kernel of RTOS running on the top of it, servicing task and interrupt that compares the real-time application. The function of operating system or task management. Next, second one, synchronization. Synchronization for resource sharing. Third one, interrupt handling. interrupt handling to service hardware interrupts. Fourth one, memory management, virtual memory and dynamic memory allocations, programmable clocks and timer. Next one, interclock communication, socket pipes and FIFO, first in first come, shared memory, etc. Challenges. RDOs develop faced some challenges. Importance of time to market, comparing design outcome, avoiding the overqualified RDOs, problem of delay is embedded in applications. Conclusion. RDO has evaluated a great extension in recent years. Every RDO has distinct future of its own, but the growth of this field is not fully utilized by the developer, yet most of the RDOs is licensed and highly expensive. Peripheral support and stack availability also varies widely from one RTOs to another. After few available free and open source RTOs supported for property protocol is minimal. Developers do not have the luxury of time to adapt the RTOs to project requirements. Hence, they are unwilling to change their current working conditions. I would be greatly beneficial if all the project requirements are listed to be being successful. So, a developer can ensure that the RTO chosen has supported for all the necessary drives and protocols. Domain of real-time operating system has very active area of resource in recent years. The field has seen many RTOs being built with many different ideas, principles and paradigms. However, additional practical experience with such RTOs is desirable. Thank you.